So it's tax season here in the US right now, which is prime time for women in particular to start feeling that gut, that anxiety around money of, oh my gosh, why don't I ever have enough money? Why is it always seeping through the cracks? Listen, I get that feeling. I've been there so many years, and now I'm no longer there. But I understand exactly where you're coming from, and I understand how to change that feeling of there's never enough to, oh, I suddenly don't depend on anybody for cash. Not on family members, not on partners, not on anyone, because I figured out how to make money with this thing right in here, this gold mine that I've been sitting on since the inception of my life. And so are you. You're sitting on a gold mine that is monetizable, be that through your career, be that through your business, or even through working through those kinks in your money mindset that you've perhaps been holding on for way too long. So this is exactly why we created HMS. You can get started for free. Of course, you can pay like a tiny fractional amount to get even more tools to upgrade yourself. But either way, it doesn't matter. You just need to get yourself started onto that path of financial independence that, quite frankly, is what's going to close this whole gender wage gap between men and women. So go ahead, download it for free, jumpstart your progress, get yourself back on track with what you deserve in terms of monetary compensation, be that through your career or your business. Get your act together, because let's face it, when women like you and me make more money, we make this world a better place.